Now dear students of class 9, this is video number 6 and the topic is rationalization. I am going to teach you exercise first C. Now take question number 4, which is very important question for examination point of view. In this problem you have to find out the value of A and B. So let us take its third part. Okay. 3 upon root 3 minus root 2 is equal to A times of root 3 minus B times of root 2. Okay. See, in this situation we have already studied that we have to rationalize the denominator. 3 is multiplied with under root 3 plus under root 2. And in denominator, during this process, we always apply a square minus b square. The square of root 3 is 3 and the square of root 2 is 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. Now here this is what? A times of root 3 minus b times of root 2. See, this is what? 3 times of root 3 plus 3 times of root 2 is equal to A times of root 3 minus b times of root 2. Now, you have to write on comparing both sides. See, A is linked with root 3. A is linked with root 3. And here 3 is linked with root 3. Since A linked with root 3 and here 3 linked with root 3. So this implies that A is equal to 3. Actually. With root 2 minus B is linked and here with root 2 3 is linked. So in that situation minus B is equal to 3 implies that B is equal to negative 3. Now let us take its fourth part. Fourth part is 5 plus 3 times of root 2 upon 5 minus 3 times of root 2 is equal to A plus B times of root 2. Okay, see, we have already studied that in that situation always rationalize the denominator. 5 plus 3 times of root 2 multiplied with what? 5 plus 3 times of root 2. And in denominator we always apply a square minus b square. Here a square is what? 25 and b square is what? 9 to the 18, which is equal to a plus b times of root 2. Now see, 5 plus 3 times of root 2 multiplied with 5 plus 3 times of root 2, both are same. So which identity we use? A plus b raised to the power 2. A square plus b square, 9 to the 18, plus 2 AB 2AB upon 7 is equal to A plus B times of root 2. This is what? 25 plus 18 is 43 plus 2 5s are 10, 3s are 30 times of root 2 and the whole portion is divided by 7. This is what? A plus B times of root 2. We can write it as 43 upon 7 plus 30 upon 7 into root 2, which is equal to A plus B times of root 2. Now dear students, see, on comparing both sides, see first b is linked with root 2, and here 30 upon 7 is linked with root 2. So what is b? B is 30 upon 7. Now see the remaining portion a. On comparing both sides, we obtain a is equal to what? 43 upon 7. Okay, this is the required answer. Now dear student, we see question number 5th of this exercise. What is the question? 5th question is, let us take any part. First part, 22 upon 2 times of root 3 plus 1 plus 17 upon 2 times of root 3 minus 1. Okay. See this part. When plus minus are given, always remember that question is divided into the parts. This is the first part, this is the second part. See, in this situation, we have to rationalize the denominator. 22 is multiplied with 2 times of root 3 minus 1. Take the opposite sign of which is given in the denominator. And in denominator, we always apply the identity a square minus b square. 4 3s are 12 minus 1, a square minus b square. Here 17 is multiplied with 2 times of root 3 plus 1. And in denominator, we always apply a square minus b square. I'm sorry. See, this is what? 4 3s are 12 minus 1. 22 2s are 44 times of root 3. This is negative 22. 12 minus 1 is 11. This is 17 2s are 34 times of root 3 plus 17 upon 11. Now LCM is same. So 44 times of root 3 minus 22 plus 34 times of root 3 plus 17 upon 11. This is what? 44 times of root 3 and 34 times of root 3. 4 4 8, 4 3 7, 78 times of root 3 minus 22 plus 17 minus 5 upon 11. This is the required answer of this problem, my dear students. Now see question number 6. Second part you can solve. Okay. See question number 6. Here x is root 5 minus 2, root 5 plus 2, and y is root 5 plus 2 upon root 5 minus 2. We have to find out the value of x square, and the second part is y square. Okay, no problem. See students, first take x. X is what? Root 5 minus 2 upon root 5 plus 2. First of all, rationalize the denominator. In such type of problems, we always rationalize the denominator. Always remember that. Root 5 minus 2 is multiplied with root 5 minus 2, and in denominator we always apply a square minus b square. In numerator you can see root 5 minus 2, root 5 minus 2, a minus b raised to the power 2, a square plus b square minus 2 into a into b. No need to write 1 in the denominator. This is what? 9 minus 4 times of root 5. This is the value of x, my dear students. This is the value of x. Now see what is y? Y is equal to root 5 plus 2 divided by root 5 minus 2. Here also rationalize the denominator. Root 5 plus 2. You can see here minus sign is given. So multiplied with root 5 plus 2. Apply a square minus b square, 5 minus 4. Now see, root 5 plus 2, root 5 plus 2, apply the identity a plus b raised to the power 2. A square plus b square plus 2 into a into b. No need to write 1 in the denominator. 5 plus 4, 9. 2 to the 4 times of root 5. This is the value of y, my dear students. Now, see the first part. First part is what? X square. What is the value of x? X is 9 minus 4 times of root 5. Square कर दीजिए. A square plus b square. 4 4 is 16, 5 is 80. 4 4 is 16, 5 is 80. Minus 2 into a into b. This is what? 161. 9 to the 18. 18 4 is 72. 72 times of root 5. This is the required answer. See the second part, dear students. Y square. What is the value of y here? 9 plus 4 times of root 5. 9 plus 4 times of root 5 raised to the power 2. Apply the identity a plus b raised to the power 2. A square plus b square. 4 4 is 16, 5 is 80. Plus 2 into a into b. This is what? 161. 9 to the 18, 4 is 72 times of root 5. This is the required answer. Okay. Now, we take question number 13. Okay. Rest of the questions you can try yourself, my dear students. Now see question number 13 of this exercise. Question number 13. Question number 13 is what? Here it is given that the value of root 2 is 1.4 and the value of root 3 is 1.7. Question is what? Find the value of each of the following correct to one decimal place. Okay. Let us take any one part. 1 upon root 3 minus root 2. See, here the value of root 2 is 1.4. The value of root 3 is 1.7. My dear students, keep in mind that don't substitute the value of root 3 and root 2 directly. First, rationalize the denominator. Means 1 is multiplied with what? Root 3 plus root 2. Because negative sign is given here. Okay. Now, in denominator, we always apply a square minus b square. A square is what? 3 and b square is what? 2. 3 minus 2 is 1. So, no need to write. Now, you can substitute the value of root 3 and root 2. What is the value of root 3? 1.7. What is the value of root 2? 1.4. 7 plus 4, 11. Carry 1, 2, 1, 3. 3.1 is the required answer. See its next part. 2 minus root 3 upon root 3. See here, root 3 is given. We have already discussed that what is the rationalizing factor of root 3. What is rationalizing factor? Rationalizing factor means by what number root 3 should be multiplied so that we obtain a rational number. So here rationalizing factor of root 3 is root 3. So multiplying numerator and denominator by root 3. Root 3 multiplied with 2 minus root 3. And when denominator root 3 is multiplied with root 3, we obtain 3. We obtain what? 2 times of root 3 minus 3 upon 3. See here, 2 into root 3. The value of root 3 is 1.7 minus 3 upon 3. 17 2s are 34, 3.4 minus 3 upon 3. 3.4 minus 3 is what? 0.4, 0.4 divided by 3. So dear student, this is the required answer of this problem. Now, my dear student, you can try rest of the questions. I hope you understood all the concepts. Thank you very much. And the video of exercise first 3 will be uploaded soon. Thank you very much.